Bleeding heart. What an amazing name. This plant has heart-shaped flowers with dangling tips, and these tips are compared to drops of blood, and therefore the name is bleeding heart. There is a Japanese tale associated with this flower, and that goes like this. Once upon a time, a young man fell deeply in love with a beautiful and wealthy girl. To win her affection, he first brought her a pair of the softest rabbits. She accepted his kind gift but declared she did not love him. Then he searched until he found the most exquisite silk slippers for her tiny feet. Still she rejected him, though keeping the lovely gift. Now the young man makes one last desperate attempt, seeking far and wide for the most gorgeous earrings he can afford. Again she rejected. He finally realizes he'll never be able to win the heart of this woman, and having spent all of his savings and weeping with loneliness, the young man takes his knife and pierces his own heart. On the spot where his body fell, the first bleeding heart grew, a memorial of beauty and sadness to unreturned love. Each of the petals on the bleeding heart flower is said to symbolize the gifts. Now, let's know about this plant. This plant is native to China, Japan, and certain other regions of Asia and is used for ornamental purposes. Also, this plant is poisonous and is not advisable to ingest any part of this plant. They must be handled carefully, as these plants can cause skin irritation too. Even though this is toxic, the roots of the plant actually helps in decreasing pain in sprains and bruises. The plant is sometimes known as Asian bleeding heart, and it can grow as tall as 47 inches in height and 18 inches wide. It bears a green seed pod fruit that holds many small black seeds. The exterior petals are shiny dark pink, while the interior tends to be more of a creamy white. This flower is a symbol of respect and love. The very rare white bleeding heart, whose beautiful petals are a sight to behold, is thought to symbolize innocence and purity. A fun fact regarding this flower is that it's quite naturally fire resistant, which helps along in very dry climates. So this was all for this video. Thank you for watching.